The Vivo V30 Pro builds on top of the balanced V30 mid-ranger with a more professional approach towards the camera department. It introduces new colorways and a triple Zeiss camera on the back, making for one of the most interesting phones for photography on the go. Vivo has always been keen on delivering great-looking smartphones with flagship-grade cameras, and the Vivo V30 Pro becomes immediately part of this legacy. It is a unique smartphone with totally different colors, textures, and finishes, one excellent OLED, 450MP Zeiss-backed cameras, and a large battery, all packed inside a thin and lightweight IP54 rated body. The Vivo V30 is a dual-glass smartphone with a large 6.78-inch AMOLED screen of 1260p resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, with 10-bit color depth and HDR10 Plus support. Below this screen is a powerful Dimensity 8200 chipset and UFS 3.1 storage chips. The camera is the real showstopper here. There are 3 imagers on the back: of 50MP OIS primary, a 50MP OIS telephoto for 2x optical and 4x lossless zoom, and a 50MP AF ultrawide with macro support. Vivo promises true-to-life colors with the natural Zeiss color mode, or you can always choose Vivo's vivid colors if you want livelier photos. The selfie camera is yet another 50MP with a wide-angle lens and autofocus. Nice! The hardware at hand is complemented by a 5000 mAh battery with 80W fast charging. There are no stereo speakers on the Vivo V30 Pro. In fact, dual speakers have been a rarity on a Vivo mid-rangers for quite some time, and this is the only potential setback we can come up with right now.